aspirant for securing a job as an assistant teacher, my lord. But there is no dispute with regard to, my lord, the eligibility of the petitioner, my lord. The only issue is, my lord, a judgment was passed, my lord, by the Supreme Court of India in the case of Jaiveer Singh. Lordship is aware of it, my lord. Because of which, my lord, the board now says, my lord, that you cannot be recruited because the degree that you had submitted with regard to the DLED was, my lord, from an NIOS, my lord. Now, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, has NIOS as well as, my lord, the regular degree, my lord, both. But because
regular degree means
from a regular, my lord, university.
Which what degree?
But Chaudhry Charan Singh University.
What degree?
DLED, my lord, DLED.
DLED.
NCT recognized. NCT recognized institution.
Yes.
Recognized.
Yes. NCT recognized. My lord, thereafter, my lord, this issue also crept up, my lord, in many, at least in 3 writ petitions, my lord. I have the orders, my lord, with me, my lord. Where, my lord, exactly the same issue was there. And, my lord, ultimately, my lord, Justice Mantha held that, my lord, since the petitioners in those cases also had both degrees, but since NIOS had better marks, my lord, and at that point of time, when the publication was issued, there was no embargo. Therefore, my lord, having better marks in NIOS, those degrees were submitted. Subsequently, since, my lord, the NIOS degree is held to be non-valid, my lord, therefore, my lord, the petitioner prays that the other degree from Chaudhry Charan Singh, my lord, be, my lord, considered. And, my lord, the appointment be, my lord, awarded to the petitioner, my lord. But exactly
is the selection recruitment process over?
Yes, my lord, but, my lord, there are vacancies are still there, my lord, because total vacancies, my lord, I'm told, is 110 people have already been, my lord, given appointment, whereas, my lord, the total vacancy is 372. So they still have, that's what my instructions are, my lord, or 360, my lord. In fact, my lord, I have annexed the, my lord, page 40, my lord. This is, my lord, the list of total number of vacancies, my lord, in the entire state, my lord. The total count here I found was 360.
All right.
60. So there is still.
Where are your degrees? Please show me.
Yes, my lord.
OBC.
Yes, I am an OBC candidate, so my lord, therefore I will get, my lord, 5%, my lord.
No, but then there is a judgment in the OBC matter that these certificates cannot be taken into consideration.
But the notification itself says, my lord, that I'll get a relaxation of 5%. I shall show that, my lord. I have annexed it.
I do not know whether this.
My OBC certificate, my lord, is at page 51.
I have seen that.
Yes.
All the OBC certificates after 2011, they have been held to be invalid ones.
They have, I'm sorry?
They have been held to be invalid ones. Then maybe OBC certificate benefit or relaxation you may not get, but then if you are qualified otherwise, marks, if you get more scores than the general candidates, then you can be upgraded to the generalist also.
That, my lord, the state will be able to test, my lord, whether.
How will the state be able to know? The board is over there.
The marks that have been scored by the others, my lord.
Yes. What is the audit that you are relying upon?
Yes, my lord. That is the only issue here, my lord. That's the only issue here, my lord. I'm told, my lord, so far as the OBC certificate thing, that's sub judice before the Supreme Court.
So what? There is no stay.
At that I do not know.
Yes.
Well, exactly same order has been passed in WPA 5695 and 2561 as well, my lord. Now, if your lordship sees, my lord, paragraph 1. The subject matter of the instant writ petition is a recruitment process to the post of assistant teachers in government aided so and so. Now, your lordship turns over, my lord, paragraph 2. The petitioners before this court can be segregated in 2 categories. Petitioners 1 to 7 possess B.Ed degree and also diploma issued by, my lord, West Bengal Board of Primary Education. I fall in the second category. The petitioners 8 to 15 possessed DLED degree issued by NIOS, same as mine, as also diploma from the West Bengal Board of Primary Education.
You do not have the diploma from the West Bengal Board of Primary
West Bengal
Education.
Board of Primary is an NCT recognized board, my lord.
I understand, but then this is, you do not have this degree. Your diploma you have from a different
From a
college.
different, but NCT recognized. Next, if your lordship turns over, my lord, paragraph 18 at page 6. Because when two issues were involved, so I'm taking your lordship only through those issues which are relevant in this case. Paragraph 18. In yet another decision of the Supreme Court in the case of Jaivir Singh versus State of Uttarakhand reported in so and so has held that DLED NIOS is not equivalent to a regular full-time 2-year DLED course degree. This has put the writ petitioners 5 to 12 in a quandary as they had applied as DLED as their primary qualification. They also possess the regular DLED certificates, same as mine. I also possess the regular DLED certificate. Next, paragraph 21. The writ petitioners 5 to 12 herein, who also has regular DLED certificate issued by the WPPE, to wish to migrate from the status of DLED NIOS candidates to that of candidates with regular DLED degrees issued by WBBPE. Well, same as that of mine. Now, Lordship will come to paragraph 25, which is the court's analysis, my lord. Paragraph 25. This court has carefully heard the arguments advanced by Mr. Firdaus Shamim, learned counsel, for the writ petitioners as also Mr. So-and-so. Paragraph 27. There is no dispute to the fact that the writ petitioners and each of them hold DLED degrees issued by WBBPE. As on date, this is the only qualification that has not been questioned by any party or any side or in any part of this country as a valid qualification for the purpose of being qualified as a primary teacher in this country. The NCT prescribes and recognizes the same as does the Board of State of West Bengal. So, at NCT recognized. Next, paragraph 28. It would therefore be grossly inequitable and unfair not to permit the writ petitioners to migrate as candidates having the DLED degrees in the aforesaid recruitment process. Next, your lordship turns to paragraph 33, my lord. WBBPE also cannot evade responsibility for the fiasco as they had illegally permitted B.Ed, D.Ed holders and in-course persons to participate in the recruitment process. Naturally, the candidates chose the degree in which they had the highest marks as the basis of their application. But I also did the same. It is only in August 2023 that the law stood settled that a B.Ed degree is not a valid qualification for the post of primary teachers. It is only on 28 November 2023 that it was held in the Jaivir Singh decision that the DLED issued by the NIOS is not equivalent to regular DLED certified certificates issued by a primary board, primary education board or other institution. The argument of Mr. Sanyal that the Rajasthan, well, this is not important, 36. What has weighted with this court in favor of the writ petitioners in allowing the interim relief is that they had at all material times possessed the DLED qualification from WBBPE. To deprive the petitioners of the right to switch over as DLED candidates would amount to depriving them of rights under Article 16 of the Constitution of India. But conclusion, it is therefore ordered that the writ petitioner number 1 to 15, which includes my category as well, shall be treated as DLED board certificate holding as having changed from their originally opted primary qualification. There shall be an interim order, my lord, needless to mention. Therefore, my lord, the only issue for which, my lord, my name did not appear in the merit list is because of, my lord, Jaivir Singh's judgment, which says that NIOS candidates cannot be, my lord, the degrees cannot be held to be valid. But I have degree from the other university as well.
Show me your degrees.
Yes, my lord. Lordship will kindly come to page 31, my lord, is my TET qualification, my lord. Then, Lordship turns over. Page 33 is, my lord, the NIOS one, DLED. Page 33. Then, if your Lordship turns over, my lord, page 34, my lord, are my mark sheets from Chaudhry Charan Singh University, Meerut, 34, 35. And 36, my lord, is the certificate, my lord. This is to certify that so-and-so registered at so-and-so in the unit held in the month of so-and-so in the first division. So I passed in first division. And my lord, page 37, my lord, is the notification which your lordship is aware of, my lord.
And this page 35 is a 2 years course.
Yes, my lord.
That is my
Page 34,
query, one of the queries.
page 34 and 35.
My copy is not so legible.
If your lordship sees, my lord, page 34, my lord,
Yes.
first year exam, May 2020. And
Yes.
if your lordship turns over, my lord, DLED final year exam 2021.
1 year course.
No, 2020 and 2020 are 2 years.
It's 20 and 21 to 1 year course.
No, no. First year means that means the entire
Yes.
year must have studied.
No averment. There's nothing showing admit card, 2 years course, nothing is annexed in the writ petition. Very suspicious. Because they kindly see the name of the university. It is not the regular university, my lord. We are
Not
not.
the regular university in Bengal. I'm sure it's a regular university in UP.
Where from do you get to know that this is a recognized university by NCTE?
Then I'll have to take out that notification, my lord.
Obviously, otherwise your prayer is.
No, but I have said so in the writ petition. If your lordship wants to see the notification, my lord,
Where
I shall
from
get the-
did you get to know the information?
My lord,
Only we are saying.
One question is, my lord,
from the
passing through my
notification
mind.
itself, my lord.
My lord,
If your lordship wants, my lord, I shall get that
he is, my lord,
NCT
undergoing,
notification.
he was undergoing NIUS 17-19 batch.
Hmm.
My lord, if this is a certificate, my lord, 21, if he passed out in DLA regular course, then he ought to have admitted in 2019.
Yes.
My lord, how can it be, my lord? I am asking myself.
Why?
It is a 17-19 batch.
19 batch
But that is why, my lord,
concluded in March 20.
I
19.
understand what is foreign from your lord.
Yes.
I understand. But where is those averment?
Yes.
Where is those, my lord, materials?
So
But the only thing that your lordship wants to see, my lord, whether this is a NCT recognized board or not. That
and whether the course is a regular 2 years course.
yes,
or
the
not.
lordship gives me, lordship keeps it tomorrow, my lord, I shall get it. Lordship wants it by way of supplementary or affidavit, or should I?
Come up with papers.
Yes,
that will also suffice.
My lord, the end session, my lord, I will also take instruction the NIUS session when it was, my lord, concluded.
Please
And not
come.
only that, my lord, I am also, my lord, on the maintainability point. My lord, suppose, my lord, this is the candidate admittedly, my lord, not applied the right time. Admittedly, my lord, he has not disclosed my lord, his DLA written.
Correct, certainly.
My lord, any time, my lord, I'm asking myself, any time he will come before this court and, my lord, take the benefit.
No, I had given NIOS certificate. I had better marks in NIOS.
My lord, this recruitment process, my lord, panel was published January, 31st January 2024. My lord, the appointments are made. No, my lord, now he has come before your lordship. My lord, the Supreme Court says your lordship knows even a single day delay sometimes fatal.
Please come. The petitioner seeks similar relief as granted by this court in respect of
Whose judgment
some of these petitioners on 19th of February 2024 in WPA 3492 of 2024 within bracket Moumita Ghosh and others versus State of West Bengal and others. Stop. According to the petitioner, he possesses the 2 years DLED degree issued by the Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Meerut. Stop. The petitioner also has a degree of DLED for the session 2017-19 from the National Institute of Open Schooling. Paragraph. There is nothing on record to suggest that the DLED degree from the Chaudhary Charan Singh Institute is a regular Chaudhary Charan Singh University have institute now, is a regular 2 years DLED course and the university in question is recognized by NCTE.
The university in question recognized
By NCTE. Stop. The learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to produce documents in documents in support of the aforesaid two queries. Stop. List. 12th of August.
As well as also one of the point of delay.
Learned advocate representing the board has raised
So the appointments were made.
an issue of delay
Barring
in moving the instant writ petition. Stop paragraph. It has been submitted that the petitioner ought to have approached this court earlier. Stop. The recruitment process is nearly over.
is that their statement, my lord?
Stop. The aforesaid submission will be taken up for consideration on the next occasion.